Hi! Today I'm going to show you how you can take a PDF file and insert it into a page of your class notebook. This is an excellent resource because it allows you to take existing Word documents or PowerPoint presentations, in addition to other PDF files that you might have from scanning or the internet, and put them right into a page of your class notebook for yourself and students to interact with. To begin, I need to make sure that my file is already saved as a PDF. Today, I'm going to convert this PowerPoint presentation into a PDF by going to the File tab, Export, and double-clicking Create PDF. I need to choose a location to save it to. Today, I'm going to be using my OneDrive. I verify that it's saving as a PDF, and I'm going to hit Publish. If you're using a district device, you'll notice that a preview of your PDF shows up in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is just confirming that the file saved as a PDF. Now that you've saved your file as a PDF, it's time to put it into your class notebook. I'm in Teams in my class notebook, and I'm going to open my navigation tray. And I'm going to go to the section and page that I'd like to insert my content. Today, I'm working in Unit 1 on my January 26th PowerPoint. In order to insert this PDF, I need to make sure that I'm actively working in the body of the page. To do that, I'm going to click below the page title. From here, I'm going to go to Insert, File, and I'm going to choose Insert File Printout. The difference between these two options is that inserting the file attachment only attaches the file. Students would need to open the file and print it. By including a file printout, you're including an actual image of the PDF that students can interact with. I'm going to locate the PDF that I saved and click Open. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but once it does, you'll see all of the slides from your PowerPoint presentation are right here in the notebook. What I love about this feature is it gives the students the actual file if they'd like to print it, and it gives them all of the finished slides that they can take notes directly on in their notebook by typing over it or using a stylus and drawing on top of it. Hope you found this video useful.